हेलो बच्चों। इस वीडियो में हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि जो प्रोजेक्टाइल है उसका पाथ, उसका रास्ता पैराबोला होता है। जैसे आप देखें, सर्किल का इक्वेशन होता है, स्ट्रेट लाइन का इक्वेशन होता है। दीज आर डिफरेंट ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर्स: पैराबोला, इलिप्स, हाइपरबोला, सर्किल. If there are two variables and one variable depends on the quadratic expression of the other variable, then the graph of the function comes U shape, that is a parabola. For example, suppose there is a function y and there is variable y, and this variable depends upon x, and this x is in quadratic form. This, suppose y is equal to some 4x square plus 2, suppose. This is a quadratic expression. So if you will draw the graph of this equation, you will have a shape U-shaped, that is known as parabola. We will prove that the path followed by a projectile is also parabola. For this, give the heading path of the parabola, path of the projectile, sorry, path of the projectile, path of the projectile. Suppose a stone is thrown making angle theta with the horizontal. This is horizontal line and this is vertical line. This is the origin, point of projection. From this point, suppose a stone is thrown making angle theta with the horizontal direction with initial velocity u. Now this velocity u will have two components. One component is this u cos theta, and this is known as horizontal component, and here in this direction the component is u sin theta. Under these two velocities are completely independent, and under these two velocities the particle, the stone, covers horizontal distance as well as vertical distance. Since the acceleration is vertically downward and the velocity is in this direction, velocity and acceleration are not in the same direction, so its path is a curve. The path followed by the projectile, followed by the stone, is like this. It goes up, reaches to maximum height, and then comes downward. And suppose it hits here at point P. Now this distance from here to here is known as horizontal distance. Suppose after time t, that is from the time of projection, the particle reaches to this position, at this position. So the vertical height attained is this much. This is y, and this distance from here to here is x. The horizontal distance is x and the vertical distance is y. This horizontal distance is covered with horizontal velocity in time t. So this x is equal to the horizontal distance covered, horizontal distance covered in time t. Horizontal distance covered in time t, x is equal to horizontal velocity into time. Horizontal velocity is u cos theta, and t is the time. So x is equal to this much, therefore t is equal to how much? T is equal to x upon u cos theta. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now in time t, the horizontal distance covered is x, and in the same time the vertical distance covered is y. Now this vertical distance, that is vertical height, this much, is covered with initial vertical velocity u sin theta. This is the initial velocity, time taken is t. Initial vertical velocity. Initial vertical velocity is equal to u sin theta. Initial velocity is u sin theta, g is acting downward. So this height y is calculated by using second equation of motion. From second equation of motion, from second equation of motion, second equation of motion क्या है? Second s is equal to ut plus half a t square. This is the second equation. Here s is the distance y, so this y is equal to, what is the initial velocity? Initial velocity is u sin theta, u sin theta into t, and it is going up. Acceleration due to gravity is downward, so g will be negative, minus half. In place of acceleration, we will take acceleration due to gravity g. It will be negative because stone is going up and g is acting downward, half g t square. Now put the value of t. T is equal to x by u cos theta. So y is equal to u sin theta, and the value of t is x upon u cos theta minus half g x by u cos theta whole square. Put the value of t. Now you cancel out, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So this will become y is equal to tan theta x, or x tan theta, x tan theta minus half gx square, or you can write 1 by 2 or g by 2, g by 2, u square cos square theta, u square cos square theta, x square. This much, this is a constant value, x square. Now here this variable y is related to another variable x with a quadratic function x square. So it is the equation of a parabola, like this. It is equation of parabola, and this proves that the path followed by a projectile is parabola. Clear? From this equation it is clear that the path followed by a projectile is parabola. Clear? Okay, bye.